Hello, my name is Pooja and I am a civil engineer. I have completed my master's in structural engineering in year 2022 from Pune University. Further, I decided to pursue my career in IT field. So I have enrolled in Awdiz Institute, where I have taken the course of full stack development. Here, the teachers and mentors are helpful, and with their help, I have made few e-commerce websites such as Myntra, Meesho, Tata Click, and Shopperstop. I highly recommend Avdi's Institute. Now I will present one of my e-commerce website, that is Meesho, the clone of Meesho. This is the homepage of my website, and these are all products which can be accessible by any user without having been registered. I'll start by signing up. I have made this website from the POV of a buyer and a seller. So I'll register a seller here. The register is successful. After that, you will be redirected to the login page. Login is successful, which will take you to the home page of the website, where you can view all the products added. This is a seller's login, the seller needs to add some products. So I'll add some products here. For example, women's dresses. Product has been added successfully, and you will be redirected to your products, where the product added by individual sellers will be seen, and also in all products. The seller can update or delete the products if he wants to. This is all about the seller's profile. Now we'll move on to the buyer's product. Now we have logged in as a buyer. We will try adding some products into the cart. For example, this. And we'll check in the cart if the products are here or not. So the products have been added to cart, but if I've changed my mind and if I don't want to buy this product, so I'll remove it from the cart. And this is the product that I have to buy. And this is the order total and price details. If I click on continue, you will get a pop-up that thank you for shopping and the products will be delivered soon. So this was one of my project of that is the clone of Meesho. That's it. Thank you.